Okay, guys, this is going to be our class for today. We are going, you are going to do a review workshop. This workshop is only 5 points, as always, and based on this workshop is the final exams mock. And based on the final exams mock and the review workshop is your final exam. So I'm not going to say no more, okay? Take out your own conclusions. And we have here 5 exercises. Each one is for all the topics we saw in the period. As you can see here, you don't have quadratic equations because first of all, I know it's the most hardest topics you have seen with me. And second, I already give you a qualification for that, a grade for that. So I am not going to evaluate that topic because I already did it, okay? So all of this is already in classroom, even with this image, with these pictures, and that's all. So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind. And for this time, I am going to wish you good luck because maybe you don't remember all of this. So I recommend you to work with your notebook, okay? So thank you and bye-bye.